Securing your bike is crucial, and the right lock makes all the difference. Here are 20 top bike locks that offer reliable protection, ensuring your bike stays safe from theft and damage. All products' links are mentioned in the description below. Number 20. The ESEESMART Bike Lock. The ESEESMART Smart Bike Lock offers advanced security with fingerprint and Bluetooth unlocking, ensuring quick access in just 0.2 seconds. It supports up to 20 fingerprints, making it ideal for families or shared use. The lock features a 12mm cut-resistant coil cable and is IP65 waterproof, making it durable in all weather conditions. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it provides up to 6 months of standby time and can be unlocked over 1,800 times on a single charge. Perfect for bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, and more, this smart lock eliminates the need for keys and offers reliable protection for your valuables, both indoors and outdoors. Number 19. VVA Premium Heavy Duty Bike Lock. This lock offers superior security with a 0.86-inch thick shackle that is heat and hydraulic shear resistant. Equipped with a silicone cover, it prevents scratches while providing excellent protection for your bike. The lock features an imported C-grade pure copper cylinder, resistant to leverage attacks for top-notch anti-theft performance. Easy to install and use, it comes with a 4-foot steel cable and a high-quality mounting bracket requiring no additional tools. Lightweight and portable, 11.42 by 6.3 inches. It's ideal for mountain, road, and folding bikes. This practical U-lock set ensures reliable bike safety, and customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Number 18. The KRYPTONITE U-Lock. The KRYPTONITE U-Lock offers superior anti-theft protection with a 13mm hardened steel shackle, resistant to bolt cutters and twisting leverage attacks. Its disc-style cylinder features a sliding dust cover, protecting against picking and drilling. This versatile lock secures bicycles, sports equipment, gates, and more, with a 4-foot steel-looped cable for added security. The 3.25 inches by 7 inches locking dimensions and 3.55 pounds weight provide strength and durability. The included FlexFrame U-bracket makes transport easy, attaching securely to your bike frame. Number 17. The ROCKBROS Foldable Bike Lock. The ROCKBROS Foldable Bike Lock is made from high-tensile alloy steel, offering superior strength and resistance to cutting, sawing, and drilling. With 5mm thick steel pieces, it provides reliable protection against bolt cutters and chainsaws, making it ideal for urban and outdoor cycling. This upgraded 120cm lock can secure up to 3 bikes simultaneously and features a convenient bracket for easy mounting under the seat or on the frame. The PP plastic coating is waterproof, corrosion resistant, and protects your bike's paint. Versatile and durable, it can also secure motorcycles, scooters, grills, and more, offering robust security for various needs. Number 16. The TITANKER Bike Lock Cable. This lock cable is a great affordable option with plenty of features. It's made of a flexible steel cable, 0.5 inches in diameter and 4 feet long, and is covered with a PVC coating. The lock uses a 4-digit combination with 10,000 possible passcodes. It's also very lightweight at just 11.2 ounces and comes with a mounting bracket for easy transport. While it doesn't provide the same level of security as higher-end locks, it's still a great deterrent for most thieves. If you're looking for a solid budget option to keep your bike safe, the TITANKER Bike Lock Cable is a great choice. Number 15. The HIPLOK DX. This is a heavy-duty D-lock designed to keep your bike secure, no matter where you lock it up. It's also one of the lightest D-locks available, so if you need to carry it with you, it won't feel like a burden. This lock is equipped with a 14mm hardened steel shackle, making it nearly impossible to break. Despite its strength, the HIPLOK DX is lightweight and easy to carry. It's not as cheap as the budget options, but considering the protection it provides, it's well worth the price. The lock also comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term value and reliability. Number 14. The LOBSTER Lock 2.0. For those who often forget their bike lock, the LOBSTER Lock 2.0 is a great solution. This lock permanently attaches to your bike frame, so you never have to worry about forgetting it again. The LOBSTER Lock snaps onto the spot where you would normally place a water bottle cradle out of the way so it doesn't interfere with your ride. To use it, simply unlock the lock and the 2 arms swing out from the base to connect and secure your bike. Afterward, fold it back in and you're good to go. The LOBSTER Lock is perfect for those who are always on the go and need the convenience of a lock that's always attached to the bike. It's secure, reliable, and a great option for busy riders. Number 13. The RBRL Folding Bike Lock. This folding bike lock features an innovative design with a hidden holder for an Apple AirTag, turning your bike lock into a smart anti-theft device. This allows you to easily track your bike and enhance security. Made from hardened alloy steel, the lock is robust, cut-resistant, and shear-resistant with a steel-wrapped lock head and reinforced rivets to prevent cuts and deformation. The compact design includes 6 folding bars, making it lightweight, 546 grams, and easy to carry. The Swiss technology cylinder provides added security with a complex tooth pattern, preventing unauthorized access. Suitable for bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, and more. It's perfect for home, garage, or outdoor use. Number 12. The SOLEBE Bluetooth Bike Lock. This lock combines smart technology with robust security to protect your bike from theft. It features Bluetooth control for both iOS and Android, allowing you to lock and unlock the device easily via the app. Constructed from 7 braided steel cables, each with 19 strands, wrapped in rust-resistant vinyl, the lock is cut-resistant and durable. The 0.4-inch diameter, 71-inch length, and anti-theft design offer versatile security for bikes, motorcycles, gates, and more. It also includes a 110 decibel alarm that activates when tampered with, deterring thieves on the spot. Alarm won't trigger if the owner's phone is connected. IP55 splash resistance ensures it works in temperatures from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by AAA batteries, it lasts up to 5 months with daily use, and a low battery indicator alerts you when power is below 20%. Number 11. The HYANRI 5-digit code bike lock. This lock offers a convenient and secure solution for protecting your bike. With a resettable 5-digit combination code, there's no need for keys, making it simple to use. The lock is made from high-strength braided steel wire with a PVC coating to prevent scratching, while the alloy steel cylinder provides strong cut resistance and anti-theft protection. An added bonus is the built-in tail light that hangs behind your seat, ensuring visibility during night rides. The light offers 3 flashing modes and operates on a 260 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 6 hours. This versatile lock can be used for bikes, motorcycles, scooters, and more, and includes a mounting bracket for easy transport. Number 10. The Master Lock 8122D. This cable lock provides reliable security for both indoor and outdoor use, ideal for bicycles, ATVs, grills, lawnmowers, and more. Featuring a 6-foot braided steel cable, it offers strength and flexibility while being coated in vinyl for rust and scratch resistance. The patented adjustable locking mechanism allows the cable to be secured at any position between 6 inches and 6 feet for a perfect fit. The 4-dial combination lock offers keyless convenience, and the included 2 keys provide additional backup. With its durable design and weather-resistant features, this lock ensures long-lasting protection for your valuables. Number 9. The MEZELON Scooter Lock. With 8mm chain provides robust security for electric scooters, e-bikes, and bicycles. Made from durable A3 steel and featuring a thickened extended chain, this lock offers superior anti-theft protection. The lock is coated with soft silicone to prevent surface scratches on your scooter. The unique double loop lock design makes it easy to lock and unlock with a single key, while the flexible chain offers more locking options. The included waterproof front hanging bag is made of scratch-resistant, wear-resistant EVA material, perfect for storing small essentials like keys and cards. The bag's reflective design enhances safety during nighttime travel. Ideal for securing scooters to fences, gates, or other objects, MEZELON is committed to optimizing your electric scooter journey. Number 8. The TITANKER Motorcycle Chain Lock. This lock provides heavy-duty security with a 3-foot chain and a 14mm U-lock, offering double protection for your bike. The 6mm square chain is durable, while the carbon steel U-lock resists cuts and lever attacks. The anti-theft lock cylinder, made of zinc alloy, prevents tampering, and the 2 brass keys are durable and resistant to bending. Wrapped in a scratch-resistant nylon sleeve, the chain protects your bike from damage. Ideal for bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, and more. This lock offers flexible security options. Lock your bike frame and tires, or secure it to railings or trees. The package includes the chain lock, U-lock, and 2 keys, making it a reliable and practical choice for safeguarding your bike and other valuables. Number 7. The OTTOLOCK. The OTTOLOCK is a lightweight, compact theft deterrent lock designed for quick stops during rides, like grabbing coffee or taking a break. Weighing only 260 grams, grams, 0.6 pounds, and coiling down to just 4 inches in diameter, it's easy to carry in a pocket, saddlebag, or backpack. Made in the USA, it features 3 layers of stainless steel wrapped in a tough Kevlar jacket, resistant to cutting and sawing. The 60-inch length allows you to lock your bike frame and wheels to a post or other bikes. While not a substitute for a U-lock, the OTTOLOCK is ideal for short-term security, with a 3-dial combination and anti-scratch Santoprene coating to protect your bike. Number 6. The ANWELLER C8 BF Smart Cable Lock. This cable lock offers 4 unlocking methods: fingerprint, Apple Watch, mobile app via Bluetooth, and a backup mechanical key. Its 1/2-inch flexible coiled steel cable resists cutting, while the PVC coating prevents scratches and rust. With an IP67 rating, it's waterproof, dustproof, and weatherproof, designed to function in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The upgraded 330 milliamp hour rechargeable battery lasts up to 24 months on standby, unlocking up to 3,000 times on a full charge, and supports fast USB-C charging. The lock also features a durable mounting bracket for easy storage. Backed by a 12-month free trial and lifetime technical support, the ANWELLER lock ensures peace of mind for your valuables. Number 5. The IGLOOHOME Smart Padlock. This smart padlock offers ultimate convenience by allowing you to grant access remotely, no matter where you are. Designed for indoor use, this app-enabled lock lets you send PIN codes or Bluetooth keys via the IGLOOHOME app. Thanks to unique algo code technology with AES encrypted security, the lock works offline, ensuring you can still manage access without a continuous internet connection. The app also provides an activity log, tracking who unlocked the padlock and when. Built for versatility, this padlock is perfect for time-sensitive access needs. Please note that a separate chain is required to secure the lock to your desired location. Ideal for keyless entry, the IGLOOHOME Smart Padlock combines flexibility with advanced security. Number 4. The POTHUNDER Fingerprint Padlock. It offers 2 unlocking methods, fingerprint and app, ensuring enhanced security without worrying about password leaks or forgetting. Unlock in just 1 second for quick and efficient access. The app lets you authorize and track unlocking activity remotely, giving you full control. With a built-in 110 mAh battery and USB charging, it provides long-lasting performance, and a low battery indicator alerts you when it's time to charge. Made from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, the lock resists rust and cutting, while the braided galvanized steel cable with a rust-resistant vinyl coating adds extra protection. The 5mm thick 1.5-meter stretchable cable offers versatile use for lockers, gates, helmets, luggage, and more. Number 3. The PENTAGON Bike Chain Key Lock. This key lock offers maximum security with its patented magnetic closure and heavy-duty anti-theft design. Made from hardened steel with a rust-resistant neoprene sleeve and silicone cover, this lock is built to withstand cutting, drilling, and tampering. The 35.5-inch chain features 10mm metal links that are weatherproof, UV-protected, and anti-corrosion, making it ideal for outdoor use. Its unique magnetic closure ensures ultra-smooth locking, while its heavy-duty build provides top-tier protection for bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. The lock is portable and easy to install, offering peace of mind against theft in urban or mountain settings. A perfect balance of affordability and high-level security for all your bike protection needs. Number 2. The SHAPEX Lightweight Bike Lock. This bike lock offers heavy-duty anti-theft protection with a 59-inch cable, ideal for securing e-bikes, scooters, bicycles, and kids' bikes. Constructed with high-quality cutter-proof materials, it provides maximum security against theft, ensuring long-lasting durability. Despite its strength, this lock is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on all your cycling adventures. The lock features a passcode unlock mechanism for added security and convenience. Its extended length allows for securing 2 to 3 bikes simultaneously, making it perfect for families or group riders. Whether you're at home or on the go, the SHAPEX lock provides versatile protection for a wide range of vehicles, including e-bikes and scooters. Number 1. The BLACKSTONE ALARM Lock. The BLACKSTONE Anti-Theft 130 decibel Alarm U-Lock provides heavy-duty security with a 14mm thick U-shackle and a 52-inch 12mm thick double-loop steel cable. The 130 decibel alarm system is the loudest of its kind, activating automatically upon sensing vibration or shock to deter thieves. Ideal for e-bikes, electric bikes, scooters, and motorcycles, it offers maximum protection. The included 120cm cable allows you to secure your bike frame, wheels, helmet, or multiple bikes at once. The lock comes with 3 keys, one for daily use, 2 spares, and a key replacement card. The package includes the U-lock, 1 CR, 2 lithium battery, 3 keys, and the security cable, offering complete protection for your bike. That's it for this video.